the part 4 of that story that I made. And today, my cousin is still not here. I'm all alone, and that is the camera. You see it? You don't see the light. You don't see the light, didn't you? So for now, I'm gonna end the video in 3, 2, 1. Meanwhile, at the night, sleeping, if Big Piggy came from nowhere. Who's this? Who came in here? Big Piggy, what are you doing here? Okay, you can sleep in my bedroom. Okay, let's go. Oh, hi! Oh, hi, guys. This is just a distress time for you. Okay, it's not done by Ghosty Gets a Nightmare. Oh, no. Mommy, help me. Meanwhile, Ghosty gets eaten by her mata. Okay. Quick! Now go back to sleep! Now! Go back to sleep! Okay, Mama. If I see you, go get up and kill him. Okay, good girl. Meanwhile, at the mom's room, Big Piggy is behind the mom. 10 hours later, at school, eating at the cafeteria. Warning, not holding the dolls. I'm just standing them. Meanwhile, okay, hi Big Piggy. Today, let's go play hide and seek. Okay, let's play hide and seek. I'm gonna be the tagger. I mean, the seeker, okay? Okay. 1, 2, 3. Meanwhile, with Ghosty and Piggy. Ghosty hide under a table. They went they're outside camping, and they played hide and seek, but they're camping here. Big Piggy's number 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Whether or not, here I come. Where could they be? I'ma just look under here. Piggy, what are you doing here? You found me. Let's go find Ghost. Let's go find Ghosty. I think she's in here. 3, 2, 1. Huh. Ghosty, we found you. Oh, you found me. Let's go eat some marshmallows. Good idea, Ghosty. Eating s'mores. The sounds. Nom nom nom. Nom nom nom. This is yummy. We should go sleep. The sleeping noises. Hi guys, this is the end. If you want to make me 3 more parts, click the like button and subscribe. Comment if you want to join us. Bye. See you in part 5. I will end the video in 3, 2, 1. Bye bye.